rock is dropped from a 400-foot cliff. After 1 second, it's going 32 feet per second. After 3 seconds, it's going 96 feet per second. A. Find the equation. And B. What is its speed at 4 seconds? So, looking at this information, I can draw a picture if I want to. You have your cliff. You drop the rock off the cliff. The height of the cliff really doesn't matter that much in this problem, though. What matters is how fast the rock is going. So after 1 second, it's going 32 feet per second. So this is going to be my x here. And this is going to be my y. Anytime that you have a choice of which one to make the x and which one to make the y, if you have time listed, time is going to be your x. 99% of the time, time is going to be the x. So I have my first point, 1, 32. My second point, my time, is my x, so 3, and the other number is my y, 96. Now to find the equation, first thing you have to do is find your slope. So I need my slope equation. Let's write that down. You guys should have it memorized by now. M equals y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2. Identify your x's and y's. What's your first point? What's your second point? So my x, y, first point. X, y, second point. Take those x's and y's, plug them into your equation, solve for m. So m equals y1, 32, minus y2, 96, over x1, 1, minus x2, 3. Grab your calculator if you need to. 32 minus 96 is negative 64. One minus 3 is negative 2. Negative 64 divided by negative 2. Negative divided negative is positive. 64 divided 2, 32. So now I know my slope. Haven't found my equation yet, but I do know my slope. I'm going to take my slope and one of my points. I'm going to use the 1 comma because 1 is easy to multiply. And I'm going to find b. So y equals 32 equals m, 32, times x, 1, plus b. 32 times 1, 32. Carry down the rest of my problem. Solve for b. So I'm subtracting the 32 over. So I have minus 32 on both sides. .32 minus 32 is 0. 32 minus 32 is 0. Add the b in there. I now have b. I can now write my equation down. Y equals mx plus b. So y equals m, 32, x stays x plus b plus 0. That is my answer for question A. Still need to find question B's answer. I think I can fit it in here. One more note about this though. With this plus 0 here, 0 doesn't change anything. So I'm just going to erase that plus 0. So I have my equation as y is 32x. What is its speed at 4 seconds? Remember seconds. That is going to be my x value. So y equals 32 times 4. Grab your calculator, type that in. 32 times 4 is 128. It's a word problem. Most word problems need units on them. What were my units for my other y's? Feet per second, feet per second. I need to write down feet per second. Now I have my answer for B.